my cousin's house. As you can see, I have two girls next to me. Number 1 is my cousin Dany.
Hello.
Number 2 is my cousin Mia.
Hi.
And like I was saying, we're at her house, Dany's house, and we are going to be doing a slime challenge. So girls, we are going to be making slime, right?
Yes.
So who wants to start?
I'll start by putting my glue in. And by the way, you do not need this whole gallon to make slime. I'm just going to be pouring a little bit. And I'm going to be using this white glue. Both of them are white glue.
Yeah, of course.
We're also going to be adding some glitter, snow, foam beads, and some extra ingredients. Okay, I think I'm going to start with this pink, orange, and yellow glitter. I'm just going to add some of that. Okay, now I think I'm going to be putting pink. We're also going to be adding food coloring. Yeah, I forgot the word food coloring for some reason. Okay, yeah, I just put 3 drops of food coloring. I'm going to mix it in and see if I want to add more or less food coloring. And then, and the food coloring is to dye your slime a certain color you want. Yeah, that's perfect. I just added some of the glitter I explained. I think I'm going to put in... I think I'm also going to add some of this yellow food coloring. I think I'm going to put in... What should I put in? I'm going to put in some purple glitter. There's a hole right there. Sorry, I was this is what it looks like. Right show you what mine looks like in a second. I'm also going to add some of this instant snow, I think. I mean, it doesn't look... Okay. Anywho. I'm going to put some more glitter. Whee! I'm only going to add a little bit of this. Okay, this is how my slime looks with pink and purple glitter. I'm going to put a pinch of snow. Okay, there we go. I don't like the pinch of the snow, so. I just added that in. Now I'm going to... Okay, now I'm going to start mixing that. And I think I'm going to put the activator. We put 1 cup of warm water and then 1 teaspoon of borax. And the warm water is to disintegrate the borax. I'm going to add some more food coloring because it's not yellow yet, I guess. I know, me. Like, I put so much yellow and then it just like... So, yeah. This is how it's going. It got more yellow. As you guys can see, I think I'm gonna add a little bit more of activator. So you want to start by putting just a little bit of activator, because then it might get overactivated if you put too much. And when your slime's overactivated, it's not fun. Your slime doesn't look good. Yeah, it looks horrible. I mean, it looks like pig brain. And Gabby, behind the camera. Gabby, she's pig brain. Gabby, kidding, it's slime. It should look like that. Gabby, she's gonna be the judge of whose slime is better.
Hi guys.
Okay. Yeah. So. Okay. So you want to try getting all the glue off of your bowls, and you should try mixing it up until the glue doesn't stick to the bowl anymore. Now I'm going to be adding some activator. Don't jinx me like that. But first I'm going to add more color because it's still not yellow. And I need to add so much more activator. It's like activator, baby. I feel like Dany has more experience with slime, so... Oh my god, look at how yellow that is, guys. Oh. Okay, let's see this. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna be adding some. Okay, yep, my. Okay, never mind. I'm gonna be adding some activator. activator. Added too much borax. This is what mine looks like right now.
You did not add too much borax.
Mine isn't coming
In the
together,
slime world,
guys.
there's no such thing as too much activator.
Yes, there is.
Actually, there is, because you don't want to overactivate it. So it's pretty much yes. Okay, so Mia, if you squeeze the sides, it comes out really fast. It's super weird. Oh my goodness! So yeah. Do you like my slime, Mia?
Not really.
Hers looks like cottage cheese.
Okay, so I just activated mine after a very long process of it not activating.
And then my
cottage cheese with glitter.
Yeah, my brother came in and said, and then she went, "Look at mine." And then my brother said, "It looks like cottage cheese."
It is.
No, it's not. It's slime. And then mine, I was just saying, look how pretty mine is. Mine's actually a pinky, very stretchy one.
Mine is a cottage cheesy, very overactivated one.
Yeah, so you don't want to overactivate it, or else this is what it'll look like. It'll be like this. You'll be like,
Ben,
you'll be
stop.
It's so pretty, and then you'll go, it doesn't stretch. But if you go very slowly, it actually stretches up quite a bit.
Okay, so mine is actually still super sticky.
Hers is still cottage cheese.
I think I'm gonna add a little bit
of snap.
more.
You're probably gonna add the whole thing. But it feels so good. Gabby really wants to feel my slime.
And she really doesn't want to feel my slime.
It looks so weird. And look at mine. Look at mine. Whee! Wow, mine stretches actually pretty fast.
Guys,
for
I
beginners.
think she was like kidding about the snow. I feel like it's sugar. It literally feels like sugar.
It just got stuck to my hand.
Look at how.
So guys, this is the thing. When you make your slime, it's gonna be pretty sticky at the beginning. You just keep adding activator and activator, but just a little bit at a time to make sure it's perfect. And then if you want it really sticky, just put it
Make
in
it
until
like
it's
mine.
very sticky.
If you want it super sticky.
And then if you don't want it sticky,
Mia.
don't make
What?
it like mine, because mine's actually pretty sticky. But it's actually really stretchy. So
Mine
if you're
isn't.
first gonna make a slime, just like it's your first time, make sure to put a lot of activator. You actually might want to overactivate it, because then you can actually get the feeling of it. But mine, if you're a beginner and have never made slime and feel it, it's actually it sticks to your hands because you've never played with slime, so your hands aren't used to the slime. But after a little bit, your hands will get used to it, and you can keep making more and more and more slime.
Somebody help me.
Yours looks like shredded cottage cheese. No, that actually looks like snow. Squeeze the sides. So go like this, Mia. No, Mia, not that. I mean, you go like this. And then when you let go, it shoots some out for you.
I'm making a huge mess, Danny. Have fun picking this up.
I'm actually not going to touch yours. I'm not going to touch hers.
And I'm not going to touch hers because she's my competition here.
But we're cousins.
I don't care.
And I don't care either.
Okay, so
Just
my
kidding, I'm
slime
not
is
going
actually kind of coming together. It just needs...
It's going to get stuck to the tablecloth.
It is.
Yes. It's not. Oh my goodness, mine almost got stuck. It's because mine's really sticky.
Okay,
This is over.
guys, this is what mine looks like.
And this is what mine looks like.
Stop it. Don't put the spotlight on hers. Mine should be in the spotlight. Oh, close up, Gabby. This is what it looks like.
Close up,
Ready?
Gabby.
Cottage cheesy. You want me to feel yours?
No, you have cottage cheese hands. Okay, now I think we should put them in a little container and Gabby can touch.
Yep. Bye.
2, 3.
as you can see, I have the girls, and I'm gonna be judging their slimes. So, okay. So, I'm gonna be starting with Dany's.
No, start with me.
Okay, fine, with Mia's.
Okay.
So, looks like
Cottage cheese.
cottage cheese. Okay, it's
Sticky.
it kind of feels like.
Can I feel it?
It kind
No,
of it
you're not
it
the
kind
judge.
of feels like kinetic sand for some reason.
It feels like kinetic sand?
This is like a slimy kinetic sand, so it's confusing. I like the color. I like the
That's what happens to my kinetic sand when I put perfume in it. It feels weird.
I like the texture.
Gaby, take it out. Take the whole thing out so you can like play with it.
I'm liking the texture and color.
Now see how stretchy it is.
That's good.
It doesn't stretch. Put on two. Wait, you're bringing that home. I'm not taking it. I'll take it home.
Oh my god!
It's a really sticky slime.
I'm trying to get this out.
It's super sticky now. She can feel Dany's. Wait, what do you rate mine out of 10? No, you have to wash your hands or something.
Okay,
You're not
okay.
touching
I'm gonna go wash my hands real quick because
1, 2, 3.
I give me an 8 because I like the texture, I like the color, and I like the brightness of the yellow, and yeah, so I give her an 8.
It looks like kinetic sand to me.
And I like Dany's, so I would give her a 9. I like Dany's because it's really pink. It's like a really happy, and it's really stretchy, and it's like really stretchy and fun to make things with. So yeah, to like
And subscribe. And don't forget to turn on that post notification bell so you don't miss any of their new videos.
And if you like this slime video, leave comments down below.
Just in case if you want to see a part 2. And don't forget to go down below and tell us whose slime you think was better.
Remember, try new cool things.